excited to have your child coming back. It's been so many months that we've been away. Our teachers and staff have been working really hard to make sure that the day home is safe for your child's return. We've sent a written plan that contains changes to the school's policy. It's a lot of words, so we thought it would be better to make this video to help you and your child get a sense of what it will be like to come back to school. This video will cover the pickup and the drop-off process. We'll also talk a little bit about some changes that we've made to the program to make it safer for your child to be here during the COVID pandemic. Step 1, before you leave home, take a minute to assess your health and your child's health. If you or your child have a fever, one or more COVID symptoms, or a recent COVID exposure, please keep your child at home. If symptoms worsen, please seek medical attention. Step 2. When you arrive at our gate, there will be a sign reminding you not to come to school if you have any COVID symptoms or have been in contact with someone who has COVID-19. COVID-19 symptoms include a fever or chills. A fever is a temperature of 100.4 or higher. A cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, a new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, or diarrhea. If you can answer yes to any of the following questions, please do not enter the gate and call us to let us know your child is not coming to school. Before you enter the gate, please make sure you are wearing a face covering. Your child does not need to wear a face covering. Step 3. Please socially distance as you line up to enter the day home. The pathway will be marked at 6 feet intervals. Step 4. Please wait until the family ahead of you has entered to walk up to the porch. A member of our team will ask you to use hand sanitizer and call your child's class to let them know you have arrived. Then she will take your and your child's temperatures. She will also ask you if you or a family member have any COVID symptoms or recent exposures. If anyone in the family has a temperature or symptoms, we consider that all of the children may have been exposed to COVID-19. You will be asked to take your child home and wait to return to school until 72 hours after the symptoms have gone away. Step 5. If everyone is symptom-free and with no recent COVID exposure, then you may enter the day home. Please sign your child in. Find your child's folder in the hanging file and sign with your full name and the current time. Use a clean pen and put it in the used container afterwards. All pens will be sanitized before they are used again. Your child may go to the front desk for the usual child wellness check, for general wellness and injuries that our teachers may need to be aware of. Step 6. Your child's teacher will be waiting at the end of the hall near the dining room. Please walk your child down the hall and say your goodbyes. The teacher will walk your child to their class. Breakfast will be served in the classroom until 8:45. You may exit the side door and walk through the playground around to the side gate. When you arrive at the end of the day, we will bring your child to you. If there are other families waiting ahead of you outside the day home, please line up using social distancing. When you arrive at the porch, please ring the bell and give us your child's name. A teacher will bring your child to the door. You may wait on the walkway or the front lawn until your child arrives. We realize this is tedious and a lot of changes. Here are a few tips to make the whole process easier. Please remember to leave extra time for drop-off and pickup. Please be patient as we all get used to this new process. And please do not double park because no one wants to get locked in. Thank you for your support in reducing the risk of COVID exposure at the day home and helping us to maintain a healthy community. We hope this video helped. We welcome your questions and your suggestions as we navigate this pandemic together. Our teachers and staff have worked really hard to plan a wonderful summer and a wonderful fall for your children. There's lots of great learning activities. The yard's fabulous. The food's going to be wonderful. Just so you know, the next time you see me, I'll look like this. Here I am. Here's my face shield and my mask, but it's still me, Miss Kate. Looking forward to seeing you back in just a few weeks. Bye.